Welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to transfer WhatsApp to new phone without using data. So let's head over to WhatsApp. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then tap on the three dots on the top right. Now go to settings. Now you have to go to the chats option, and in here you might find the chat backup or transfer chats option. So you can transfer your chat history to Google storage. So once you tap on start, you have to transfer over Wi-Fi, tap on continue and allow it. And then I'm turning on my location and turning on the Wi-Fi. And as you can see, it is preparing. So as you can see, all I need to do is just to download WhatsApp on the new phone and register with the same phone number. And you can use this QR code scanner to scan to your new phone. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.